Hey everybody out there, my name is Sam and I welcome you to a new video of my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to release a new series for customizing your motorcycle, and it's called So in my new Quick and Dirty series, I'm going to show you some different parts for your motorcycle, or at least for your Harley Davidson motorcycle. With them you can customize your bike very easy. So these are going to be small parts, and the installation won't be very hard, so everyone can do it on his own, and you can achieve a cool and individual look very easy and very fast. So today in this first video I'm going to show you this Harley Davidson collection, brass collection rider footpegs. These footrests are from the original Harley Davidson brass collection. So I guess the installation, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes, should be the same if you buy different parts of another Harley Davidson collection, for example the Skull collection. So if you want to know how to install them at your bike easily, you can just watch this video and apply it to your footpegs. So these little ones are nearly the only ones I found on the internet or in the store which are with the brass color, which come with the brass color. Often you find gold or copper, but I like my bike with some brass parts. I think this is a very cool and industrial look. So I decided to go for this original Harley Davidson collection. They came in this little package over here. You can buy them at your dealer store for about 200 or 210 euro, or you can also buy it online, but maybe you have to pay some shipping costs. So when we get them out of their box, give me a minute. Okay. When you open them, you get two pieces of paper over here. The one is instructions. You don't have to read it because I'm going to show you how it's done. And the other little booklet is a booklet of the brass collection, product care instructions. So you got some little tips in different languages here, how to carry your little products of this collection, so they will last very long. So, and if we have a look at this box over here, there are the two footpegs. They're packed up very carefully, as you can see, so it won't get scratches or anything during the transport. And I'm going to show it again. Okay, so the footpegs are very heavy. I weighed them before I did this video, and one of them is about 580 grams. So you can see it's a very solid material, and this is not some cheap stuff, because 200 bucks is quite much for two footpegs, but it's very solid. It looks really cool. It got some tiny scratches over here, but I think I like it. It's like this used look. I want to have this industrial used look, and this is fine for me. I think this is a cool small detail. You got these two footpegs inside the box. Molded them right and left side. The footpegs itself are curved, and where you get your foot stand on, it's flat, of course. So that's all. We ain't got any screws or stuff like that inside, so I guess we're going to reuse the original screws. And I would say let's go to the bike and install these little two ones. Okay, so we're outside now. I get these new footpegs over here. Before you start, you should find out which one is for the right and for the left side. So as you can see here, it's a bit bent like this here, a curved one. and you have to care that you install them install them right, because all these foot bands can be bent to your bike, and that's why that's because if you hit the ground with the foot peg, it shouldn't stuck there, so it could come to an accident, and it should bend to the top so nothing would happen. So as you can see, sometimes I just said hello to the street just a few times. So I discovered that this one is for the right side, because for the left side, sorry, because the shape is the same and the flat side should go to the top. And when we want to install them, I also find out that we don't have typical screws for that, but we got this little one here with a ring, which is for the safety that this pin here can't get out. So we have to remove this little ring over here, and then I guess we can put this pin out to the side. Remove this, and then this should go out. Let's try this. Okay, first we have to lose this little spring over here, and for this there's a extra handy dandy tool you can use. So if you don't have this in your garage, it could be kind of difficult. So you go with this little ones here in the spring, in the ring. You can bend it a bit to the outside, but be careful so that you don't break it when you bend it too much. And then you can just pull it out. So I'm going to do this. You can also move the ring a bit so you have it in a comfortable position for you, and bend a bit and push it. So, and then you can see this ring comes easy to the outside, and we will save that one for later. Okay, the next step is that we have to remove this little pin over here. Be careful, because there's a spring inside, and when you pop it out, keep an eye on the spring so it won't get away, because we need it afterwards. So if the pin is a bit stuck in there, you can put a screwdriver and carefully get this one out. Okay, so this screw is also safe for later. Okay, so keep in mind how this spring was put in the old foot peg, because there's a short and a longer side, and you have a little hole over here and a little hole in your foot peg. So the short side have to stuck in the foot peg, and the long side have to stuck in your motorcycle part. So then we're going to take our new foot peg, and as you can see, there is also a hole where the short side should come in. So we can put our screw back in here so it comes in very easy. And keep in mind that you put it on the right side. So never mind, we have to put it out again, because obviously we have to get the foot peg at our motorcycle first. You can help yourself out with a little screwdriver to get the spring in the right position. So when you got it over here, you have to work a little bit so the foot peg gets in the right position, and you can put your old screw back in it. So you can test it before you put the ring back on it, so it's the right side installed. Then we have our little ring from before. You will set it so wait, I'm going to show it to you. So I'm going to show it to you because down there you can't see it that good. So this is the screw. This is the top of the screw, and this is the side which shows to the floor, to the ground. You get a little cut in here, and this is where your little ring has to fit in. You will put it like this, and then you have to take this tool here and yeah, like in the position of my 2 fingers, you have to pull it carefully. So you have to use a little bit power, but don't use too much power, because otherwise you could damage the ring. And then you have to carefully put it together, and in the end, yeah, you have to see that the ring is in a clear position and won't be like this or like that, and then you can put it in the right position with the little tip of a screwdriver. Okay, I'm going to put our foot peg. Have a look, you're in the right position. It worked so easy the first time. Okay, this is correct. Now we have to put the ring back on it so the screw is secured. So this will make a little click when it's in the right position, and all these 3 little, I don't know, nipples you've seen at the ring before, have to fit in this little cut of your screw. Then it's fit. Okay, so you have to, you can prove it with your fingers. So it can be turned around, but it shouldn't get off by itself. Okay, so you can try with a screwdriver. Okay, it looks, don't be too hard to the material. Okay, so that's it, guys. So this is the new Foodpeg. It's yeah, a bit smaller one, and I told you something about the weight of it. This is, yeah, this feels like it ain't weigh anything, so I guess it's much lighter than my cell phone. Yeah, it's yeah, a little bit it weighs a little bit more than the screwdriver here. So in comparison to this one, I think this is not that high quality material, and I think this looks really cool. It makes a little bit of noises, but I think this is okay. So we're going to repeat this at the other side again, and yeah, I will show you the results in a few seconds.
Broken bones, broken hearts, stripped down and torn apart. A little bit of rust, I'm still running. Counting miles, counting tears, twist the road, shifting gears. Year after year, it's all or nothing. But I'm not home, I'm not lost, still holding on to what I got. Ain't much left, Lord, there's so much that's been stolen. I guess I've lost everything I've had, but I'm not dead, at least not yet. Still alone, still alive, still unbroken. I'm still alone, still alive, I'm still unbroken. Never captured, never tamed, wild horses on the plains. You can call me lost, I call it freedom. I feel the spirit in my soul. There's something, Lord, I can't control. I'm never giving up while I'm still breathing.
Okay, so as you can see, it's super easy to install these Foodpegs on your Harley Davidson, and I think it's a really cool look. So let me know in the comments what you think about this brass collection and my new Foodpegs. Maybe you can tell me if you changed yours, which one you decided to go for. Sorry. Yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to see some more Harley Davidson or motorcycle videos, don't forget to follow me and hit the clock so you got all new informations of this channel. So I hope you guys stay fine out there. yeah, keep healthy, and see you next time. Peace.